Hello, welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm Little Miss Homemaker.
And I'm Miss Katie, Little Miss Homemaker's mother. Well, today we're going to make a quick sandwich spread. It's getting on spring. People are starting to think about spring. And this could be made for tea parties or picnics or taken in lunch boxes or just to have at home for quick lunches or really even breakfast or snack. I call this pimento cheese a hearty pimento cheese, whereas a smooth or a creamy one can be found in a different video. This is totally different from the other one that I've already shown you how to make. This pimento cheese, is, as well as the creamy one, can be found in my cookbook, my first cookbook. And the title of that is From Katie's Kitchen. To make this pimento cheese, you're going to need 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 1 pound of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 3/4 cup of good quality mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of this particular sauce. It's Durkee Famous Sandwich and Salad Sauce. You may have to search around to find it at different grocery stores. When I started making this years and years ago, I couldn't find it, but now I think Walmart and other a lot of other grocery stores carry this. You need a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Now, here on our RV, I have limited pantry space, and we happen to not have any Dijon, so I pulled out the spicy brown. But I really recommend the Dijon mustard. You need 4 ounces of diced pimentos, drained. You need 2 tablespoons of chopped, minced parsley, or you can use chopped fresh and a little bit more than 2 tablespoons. I like to use fresh if I have it. A teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, I'm going to add our ingredients here. Do you want to step over here and help me?
Sure.
All right, I'm not going to get out the measuring cups because I don't need to. I can eyeball.
You're good like that.
Oh, well, thank you. But 1/4 cup of this Durkee sauce, 3/4 cup of good quality mayonnaise. I typically like Hellmann's usually. This is Duke's, and I like it just as well. Okay, tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Teaspoon of garlic powder. You need to learn how to measure. See, that's a teaspoon.
Okay.
Measure in your hand. 2 tablespoons of parsley, dried. Your drained 4 ounces of pimentos. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder. Put that up, please. So we have all of our mixture except the cheese. And I'm honestly just going to stir all this up, and then I'll use my glove to add the cheese and just get it incorporated. And that's it. We refrigerate it for the flavors to marry. Can you tell our friends what that means? Are they getting married?
No, ma'am. It means for all of the textures in our ingredients. Flavors in our ingredients to combine together.
Well, why is that important? Why do we care about that?
So it'll be yummy.
So it'll taste better. All right, so I'm just going to mix all this cheese in, and then we're going to put some in this nice little decorative ball canning jar. You really don't have to use the glove. I'm going to. And then I'm going to let you, we're going to use this spoon to put some in that jar, because we're going to take a little bit to a friend we're going to visit, and then we're going to keep the rest for our supper sandwiches.
Using the glove seems to go much faster.
See, it's done. Yeah.
All done.
All done. And so we're going to
Do they know the secret of taking off your glove?
Well, then I better show them. That's a good tip, little Missy. Let's show them. So I take off the glove, inside out.
And no mess.
No mess. There you go. Some people don't want to use the glove because it's, generates a little bit of trash there doing that. And that's absolutely fine. They can do what they want. And we can all be happy with our kitchen choices. So we're going to put this in here to give it as a little gift for a friend who I think would enjoy it.
I think he would too.
Well, it's that easy. It didn't take long at all for Mr. Patient to have a snack, but it hasn't sat in the refrigerator to marry. So we're going to go ahead and let these taste testers do their job. But we have a gift for our friend. We have some left over for us to have sandwiches, and we have the ingredients. We can make more. And we put it today, I put it on these Hawaiian rolls for a snack. So would y'all want to taste? You want to try it? Dad first.
Yeah.
Okay. And little Missy, do you want to try?
Sure.
Hearty pimento cheese. Hearty pimento cheese. Very easy. You can find it in my first cookbook called From Katie's Kitchen. And in the descriptions box below, I will leave information of how you can get one of my first cookbooks. Mr. Patient is my production team, and he will print it off, bind it, and mail it out to you. So I hope you will look forward to getting that cookbook and enjoy this hearty pimento cheese. What do you think?
That's
Is
amazing.
it good?
Can I just take the jar and
I know you would eat it. Eat it with. It's good with bread. It's good with the spoon, right?
Is that crackers? It's good with crackers.
Hey, yeah. That's right.
With maybe a little jelly on it to give it a little sweetness.
That's right.
The tart and the sweet, I love it.
Okay, well, we would appreciate it if you would share our videos and hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell to receive notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Every Thursday we have a video segment called In the Kitchen, where we bring you some recipes or tips from Katie's Kitchen. So we hope to see you next Thursday here at Heritage Ways. Bye.
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 Can I have a bite?